Right, so this is just a little selection of things we need. First of all, we need a Laszlo who is overseeing everything. Isn't he gorgeous? Secondly, I didn't have any sort of any of this. It's kind of like the spec sheet for this Variac. Yeah, £834. Got it for £100. Happy days. So got a single socket and sort of a back box. Some fittings, cable ties, some flush cuts, a telescopic magnet, 30mm spanner, deep 30mm socket, terminal driver, water pump pliers, adjustables and things for cable glands, Phillips, 8mm nut spinner, 7mm nut spinner, and a bigger one of those. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to need, and the drill driver. So I think that's what we're going to need. We'll go through the sort of wiring, how it is needing to be wired. Try and explain it as best I can. I'm not an expert, but there are very knowledgeable people on YouTube who've done their own video about how it works. So I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to go into where the wires go and then watch the smoke come out. But no, we don't want that because then you can't put it back in. But that's it. I'll be back.